Here's a look at some of the biggest NBA trade rumors as we near the trade deadline. The New York Knicks are looking for a point guard upgrade. The Knicks are targeting Toronto Raptors' Kyle Lowry or Atlanta Hawks' Jeff Teague. The 27-year-old Lowry is averaging career highs in points and assists this season, leading the Raptors to a first-place finish in the Atlantic Division in the first half, while the 25-year-old Teague is also averaging career highs in points and assists. The Knicks are hoping to make a deal that would include players like Iman Shumpert, Raymond Felton, and Bino Udrih. The Phoenix Suns and Los Angeles Lakers have reportedly been in trade talks that would send big man Pau Gasol to Phoenix and land center Mika Okafor in LA. Gasol is averaging double figures this season and hasn't played in February due to a groin injury, but is expected to return soon. On the other hand, Okafor has been out the entire season so far due to a herniated disc and will most likely not play for the remainder of the season. The Suns have a handful of first-round picks in 2014, at least one of which the Lakers are interested in. And in Charlotte, the Bobcats are reportedly very interested in Philadelphia 76ers forward Evan Turner. Turner is averaging nearly 18 points per game, which is a career best for the 2010 second overall NBA draft pick, and Philadelphia doesn't expect to re-sign him as he enters the free agent market this summer. The Bobcats would most likely deal veteran guard Ben Gordon and a 2014 NBA draft pick.